And the man says something not good.
What?
The man just says something not good.
What him can't tell you anything? You're not supposed. The bees out here cleaning our shoes. Bee, and say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
I will put my water, just look up fab on water. Afternoon, guys. So it's another day. I can't say morning because I don't know. I wake up this morning, but there wasn't really nothing to vlog. I'm being a eat. I was going to 3 o'clock now, so we are going road. Go look something because being want to cook for me a man in time, but you know it's all good.
You don't want to cook for a man in time.
But you don't want to cook for me. You say you feel for egg and frank, so I say fry. And you know you want to fry. But it's all good, sure. Because you always talk about we need to save money, we cannot buy a road. But what we are going to do now, we are going to buy a road. Anyways, so yeah, that we are going to do. Plans for today, I wanted to, wait, let me like come back now. My grandmother gonna St. Thomas or whatever, and me not gonna lie, when me did up a friend, me did I say, oh yeah, probably follow you or whatever, go see this or whatever. But guys, when I think about it, I was only here for like 6 days. Me couldn't go take you all day at St. Thomas, and it not really benefit me or whatever. You know, one big piece of long driving and stuff like that. So she kind of begged through me ain't go or whatever. So she gonna St. Thomas. So my plan was to get my nails done today. But no, B get called the damn soon. B wants to go hook that up and talking about let me do my nails tomorrow. But I'm like, I gotta do my hair tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we did plan to me, B, and my cousin and our boyfriend with that got toned. Got like a nice little dinner. Then after that, go to like a club or something like that, you know. And yeah, and I didn't really find. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll still get my nails done today. It all depends if shop my locker or whatever. And me, I'm not really in a big like long fancy stuff because my work, like you know, I deal with like bugs and product and stuff like that. You know, and from time I'm not like a nail somebody or whatever. I can't get to do what I want to do. But yeah. So we're gonna look some food. Where I get food from? Let's see about what we. Eh?
What you want?
Yeah, I ask you.
No, I don't know where I'm eating. Yeah, mitzi food?
Yeah, more mitzi food from a company and try or whatever. And guys, guess what? Can you believe I'm not gonna be able to go to the beach? I could have gone to the beach Thursday now, but then my hair. My head. I told me that heat eat me feel lightheaded, you know. Anyways. What was I saying? We can't go to the beach because Thursday, tomorrow I'm doing my hair, getting braids, and I don't want to go to the beach with braids because then you know it's like a frozen up. Although I can still go in the water without having my hair to touch. So I don't know. We'll think about it and we'll see. It was too late to go today. Can't go tomorrow, so I don't know. We'll think about it. All right, guys. So it's a little later in the evening. Okay, so I had food earlier, right after the last clip or whatever, like 3 o'clock or whatever. We get food. I didn't eat all of it because like I was just getting, I don't know, too cladding. That damn rice and fried chicken, but I don't know. And then become my nail shop. I decided to get my nails done. I had to wait on a girl. I was waiting for like 2 hours. I wanted to get up and leave, but I was like, if I don't get it done today, I don't know when I'm going to get it done. And then B left me to go work on a song. So here's my nails that I did. Super short, and then could I go shorter. And I like them nice and colorful. So yeah. So B is still working on the sound, so he sent my uncle to come pick me up. So that's that. So then now we are gonna drive and go which part the sound I play that be he'll string up or fix or whatever he's doing. And then yeah, we're just gonna go up. Guys, me eat this ice cream yesterday and I fell in love. Like I love it so much. It's called double chocolate crunch. It's nice. So good. Alright guys, so we're gonna eat with dinner now. Some white rice and curry goat. I better eat rice and curry with piece of banana. What's up, guys? Yeah, it's good to get hairstyle.
Yeah,
so
I would stay the few whole day.
it wasn't the whole day. Anyways, let me recap what happened. So we came in last night. I was supposed to wash my hair last night, but B said make we wait till I'm on. And so I said, all right, then we wake up 5 o'clock for so let me wash my hair because I had like a 7:30 appointment or whatever. Wake up 5 o'clock, be asleep, sleep. So Kyle said me wash me about 5:40, and then I got it washed, and then I blow dried it straight so it was easier for the girl or whatever. I reached at Linstead. Granted, we was late. We reached Aisha about 8 o'clock. When we go in Aisha, the shop open. But we see a little boy. I mean, from last time, you know, said, oh, our son that or whatever. So I said, oh, okay, maybe she got a bathroom or something like that. We about 30 minutes out, no minutes see girl. So we call one number on the shop. It wasn't the girl number, it was like the owner for the shop. And we I say, Ray, you know, I'm picnic day here. Where's the girl at? We're there for 30 minutes now. Anyways, as we call, see girl that come, she was buying like snacks and stuff for a little boy or whatever. So Carla said me here start about 9 o'clock, 8:50. Let's just say 9 o'clock. We just finished at 1:30 now. And so what, 9? About 4 hours. So I mean, it wasn't bad. Granted, it pots them are a little bigger, but I showed her a picture because like I didn't want like a small pot them with enough here. I just wanted something light, and plus I didn't want to sit in the chair for like 10+ hours. So I mean, know people probably go to this said this kind of spacey, but I mean I like it. It's light and you know easy to take down, and I wasn't in a chair for that long. So yeah. So now me and B, depending we got bagua, I gotta look something to eat. We want chicken and chips from Juicy Beef. And yeah, guys, today I feel like it's like my last like really full day because I'm not gonna count Thursday because Thursday tomorrow is like running around getting my COVID test and getting stuff to care go up, and then Friday I'm just gone back at farm. Back I walk. Like I just want to be in Jamaica, like you know what I mean, just the year 24/7, and then just go back up when we run out of money and if you work back to come back down, you know what I mean? Jesus, be that what nice though.
No, B.
What do you mean no?
But you have to stay in Jamaica.
Heck yeah, me love Jamaica. Like whoa, I mean granted I wouldn't live here, but like me just didn't want a little bit more time with you. Be like this little 6 days. I mean I'm appreciative of it because you know I come down for granny or whatever. So I mean shoot, if I get like a free trip, why not? You know, well not free ticket or whatever, but like you know I gotta take it or whatever. But like true work, I have to save my PTO because like you know I just started with the job and like I can't use everything one time, you know what I mean? Rain. We said guys, that piece of rain wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning, beer thundering and stuff. Like I did not want to come out this morning because you know it rain at that type of weather that we have to just lie down and sleep with your man, you know what I mean? But look at this rain now on our way to Bagua. Oh, no, can't even see it so good. See rain there. So, yeah, we are gonna look at chicken and chips. Hopefully, juicy chicken done. And more use the bathroom. And then I think we are gonna go look for Granny here now. Yeah, then we are gonna look for Granny. She did prospect. She had to do for her ear. She shouldn't finish yet. And then, yeah, look, then we are gonna go up, relax, do what we have to do. You know what I mean. And then in the evening we me, B, my cousin Felisa and our boyfriend, we are gonna treat them and we're gonna go to town. I don't know what restaurant yet, but more I got one nice restaurant, gonna have like a nice good dinner with drinks and stuff. And then we got one club or like a strip club or something like that, you know, something like that. Something nice and fun to do, you know, cause you know what, Andrew, you know, we're on a curfew, so we have to take advantage of that. And when my dad find, I don't go anywhere besides work and home and to the store and a place them to pay my bills. That's it, you know, I don't go out like that. So yeah, miss you guys when we reach our Bagua. Alright, so with that juicy beef and me get a 2-piece with fries, and that B get the same thing, and then 16-ounce soup in my drink. And usually we're supposed to get a wedge with the thing. No wedge didn't come with it. And when they get no straw, so we go back in and tell them, and they were like, oh, they run out of wedge. They could have simply well say that or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna eat this now. And then go look for my grandmother. Look, Korean and a gift for pull and be really, I'm gonna send me out there for go pull the gate. You see how you man wicked?
Me I said no for go pull the gate. Me ask if you go pull the gate. Me not say that.
David, and then me have to go open up. Is if we go in Jesus Christ. It better you stop first. Alright guys, so me come in and me take a little 30-minute nap or whatever.
Be 30 minutes, be that's a 2 hour.
I ain't got to know, guys, me take like an hour nap or whatnot. And then me and B will get ready and we're on our way now to go pick up my cousin and her boyfriend. What you say? So you give me one?
Me and me.
Then who?
I don't know.
I want man me up, so if I'm sending me milk, you give me bun. So yes, here's my hair. It can go on.
The hair look good, but yeah.
No, but yes, the hair itself is good, but true, I'm so used to having like enough braids on my head. I didn't show her a picture, but I showed her the size. But this looked like what foreign girls, or then do it, I do not list, like then do it like big spaces, like you know. But it's okay because me not keep hair for long anyways. But I'm just so used to having like a good amount on my hair where it could have catch up. So you know, so yeah, like you said, easy for like take out or whatever. And it's, you know, it's light, so me not gonna feel, you know what I mean? It just look too spacey. Like I can't get to like style it very good, you know what I mean? I'm so used to having a lot on. So yeah, we're gonna go to town. But we're gonna go to Tracks and Records because I was trying to find like other restaurants and stuff to go to in the town area, but like none of them like it vibes. I don't know, when we got Tracks and Records, I'm not gonna lie, the food wasn't like, oh my god, you know what I mean? But it like it vibes, the environment. So you know, we just have to go back there and then we all go one club at Portmore after. So yeah, and it looked like through the rainfall today, and then we going out and I catch up cool, and it's so crazy because when we come down, we did have cool, and then I go back up in the cool, and I was doing so good because it's scented and it give woman instant. So I just picked up my cousin and her boyfriend. Say hello.
No boyfriend, a man.
Our husband. Get it right, husband.
Me a big woman.
And the man says something not good.
What?
Man just says something not good.
What him can't tell you anything? You're not supposed to ask the question about my bedroom business, so he can't tell you anything. Shanky, with the part.
Remember me tell you, they can't bet any money say be happy for to sit in a dance up so.
Shanky.
2 years ago or 1 year ago. I will not again Beagle. Beagle, remember that?
2 years ago.
That means to say all of the woman to see which one of them fuck a killer.
Me bet any money. Me bet any money. And that means I bet up there.
No doubt about it.
Alright, come leave it front outside. So we're on our way to town. We just stop at shop and buy tissue because we always have to have tissue because you know, anytime.
Girl shit a bush.
I just too tired to do it. But
This is one girl one time, and the girl, she drink some overnight soup. Pea soup before she come out, and we are driving on the bus. I come down from Mandeville Highway, no bathroom. We not every day, no if we reach toll. And me said the girl, in my trim, I said, Munchu, what are you? You see that kind of girl live? We can't tell story.
Felisa,
she call it girl live.
And different tone of voice when she had this story.
And me say to her, I say, what happened to you? Why you trembling? He said, Phil,
what shit?
I said, what do you want to do? He said, no, shit.
What on up? But you deserve story.
He said, what shit? And I said, Jesus Christ, but no one of this of your shit now. And I said, Wally, tell the guy Spanish on. Wally, and he said, be careful, Wally. I said, Jesus Christ, and I want to go in, I bus in the car, that just never give girl one bag when I have a nice and I say, just sit down for it, but I water do the same, no, say that is spread where you can't.
No, Felisa, don't know.
I said, Jesus Christ.
Felisa, you don't have to give her so much detail.
No, me have to talk. Me tap the bus, and me say, driver, beg a tap there when Munch say, I go pee-pee. Driver, I want to go pee tap and we go over and I want to look up park. I know somebody told me we're not really there for height. So I'm going to turn up in front there. Yes, what I girl.
Girl, tap you all the foot up. All the foot up.
Mr. Girl.
Tap your side, that's cute.
I say when the girl bend down, River Jordan.
The girl, they must crave me, you know.
Me say if my stomach is easy to sit me in I'm Korea again. River Jordan a Korea run.
Jesus
And the girl wiping body at the boy. You saw the girl going there, but me stomach sit.
What she use like her body?
One piece of book, leave.
No. They must get tonight. And he could have a fingernail, you know.
No, she ain't have a fingernail.
Nah, see,
Kayla, she never let go that in dead.
Jesus Christ.
Trim.
So even every girl in there can drive a piece of wipes,
Hello, shit not easy to carry. Yeah, me.
No, for real, because if you gotta go, you gotta go.
Especially running belly.
Yeah.
Remember say that the tough, you know? That soft, you know? So when they come like pee. That nana stop.
You can't squeeze it.
Say, girl. Sorry for you. One night time, they said, oh man, they really left. And she don't want the people to know. I'm on this strong side outside. Me no, me don't get up. Me know what this shit there because I'm punished on this shit. Keep on looking yourself.
Oh boy. So we reached Tracker Records and a guy them just have watched football. What man?
Yeah. One man.
But they were watching it. It's always like sleep close.
Back to the west.
Appetizers. I think a pork. Yeah. Alright, so we have oxtail, curry goat, curry shrimp, and then barbecue spare ribs. So guys, we are leaving Portmore now. We went to an adult entertainment club. It was nice, good vibes, nice music. I wanted to get up and dance, but I didn't want to take away from the girls. You know, we had fun. Well, me and my cousin Felice, I really enjoyed still. Cause everybody them going like they know and dance with the girls them and take them and stuff. Them are going shy. You know, we don't understand. If you did go with a group of money, would I dance with a girl there?
Where is it?
If you did go out with a group of like your friends, like a group of money, would I dance with a girl there? You don't know. I mean, I tell him like, come on, just dance with one, you know, enjoy yourself or whatever. And just stuck like a statue or whatever. So we're on our way up. We're gonna go home, take off this makeup, shower, and go to sleep.